Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my thoughts on some new makeup releases for May. And these videos are always inspired by Samantha March's Will I Buy It series on her channel. So I have her channel listed down below. If you guys want to know my thoughts on some new upcoming makeup releases, then just keep on watching. Starting off, this is a collection that just came out this past week, and this isn't a brand that I normally talk about or really even pay attention to, just because I'm not super interested in a lot of the products, but this is something that really grabbed my attention, and it's from Kylie Cosmetics, and it's the Kybrow collection. I just felt like this collection made so much sense, and I'm like, wow, I never even realized she didn't even have brow products yet, and I feel like her brows are such a signature look. Like, I think it would have been just as effective had she released brow products like 2 or 3 years ago as it was when she released her lip kits back in the day. So when I saw this collection drop, I'm like, that makes complete sense, and I'm so surprised she didn't come out with brow products sooner because I just love her brows so much, and I feel like she's really known for her brows as well, and I really want these products. I almost purchased it the day that it came out, and then I looked in my drawers behind me and I'm like, I have 17 brow products open right now. Let me go through a few of them before I end up purchasing this. So I definitely at least want to try out the brow pencil, but I have like 5 or 6 brow pencils open right now. So I'm gonna finish up like 1 or 2 of them, and then probably next month, I am definitely gonna try out one of these brow pencils because it's super affordable. Well, affordable compared to some other products like the Anastasia Brow Wiz, my Precisely My Brow from Benefit. Like, it's cheaper, and this is $14. I think all of these are very reasonably priced. Like, their brow gel for $16, their brow powder duo is $16, brow pomade also $16. So even cheaper than some other high-end brow products. And I love the packaging. I think it looks super cute. I love everything about this. Let me see how much the whole kit is. The kit is $45, which is essentially the same price I would pay for a full-size Anastasia brow gel and brow pencil. So I definitely think that that is a good kit with the brow pencil, the gel, the brush, and the pomade. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy the kit. Not today, not tomorrow, but this summer I definitely want to try it out. I'm not in a rush for it. Like I said, I have so many other brow products right now, but this is definitely like on my list to try out throughout the summer. So definitely on board with that collection. And then next up we have some summer products from Fenty. She's actually coming out with a lip balm and then a lip scrub. So the lip balm is $18 and then the lip scrub is $16, and then this is going to be released on May 10th. And the reason I wanted to talk about this was because when I saw the teaser photos for this, I totally thought she was coming out with skincare, and I'm like, yes, I am buying that. But it's not, it's just a lip balm to start off, but I hope we get into that skincare direction. I think that would be super exciting, or even some like setting sprays from Fenty. I think I would be really interested in that kind of product, something like a moisturizer, I don't know. I really thought that this was gonna be like skincare products. So that's why I'm excited that she came out with something like so simple as like a lip balm and a lip scrub. I'm not necessarily interested in these specific releases, but it made me excited about the direction that she's expanding her brand and not just color cosmetics. So hopefully the lip balms lead into some setting sprays. I think that would be like the most logical next step, because I think I would be really interested in that kind of product. I don't know what else, maybe a moisturizer or something. I know she already has a primer, but I just felt like this could lead into maybe some Fenty skincare. So that's my prediction. I hope that's the case. I'm not necessarily interested in these 2 products, but I like the direction that her brand is going by releasing those products. Next up, this is something I'm so excited for, and I'm gonna be purchasing, I think, this week. And this is from Dominique Cosmetics. She's releasing a highlighter palette. It has 4 highlighters, 1 balm cream, and then 3 powder highlighters. This is gonna be $36, and it comes out on May 8th. I totally plan on purchasing this. I love Dominique Cosmetics, but I actually only own the Latte palette, and I feel like I'm just like a huge supporter of this brand, but I didn't necessarily want to buy every product from this brand. But this is something that I'm like really drawn to. Let me know if you guys have any brands like that where you may only have like 1 or 2 or 3 products, and you're like, I love this brand, and you really just have only tried like 2 things. I feel that way about Makeup Forever too. I'm like, that is such an amazing brand, and it's because I've tried like 2 things that are my holy grail products from them. But I definitely want more from Dominique Cosmetics, and I am so excited about this highlighter palette. I definitely think it's interesting that it's not just powder highlighter. She also has like a skin gloss product, and I love those kind of products for summer. It's not something that I reach for every day, but it's something that I think gives my makeup a different look and something that's like unique in my collection. So I'm definitely interested in this. I haven't actually watched Kristen's reveal video about this product. I just saw like the release on Trendmood, but I decided that I already want it. So I'm definitely excited about it. I do like the shape of it as well, and I'm excited to try that out and get that in the next couple days. I'll definitely be reviewing that once I purchase it. Next up, we have a new face product from Too Faced coming out. This is the Born This Way multi-use complexion powder. I'm definitely gonna get this. I love Too Faced Born This Way everything, like their foundation, concealer, powder, holy grail products of mine, products that I have used several bottles of each of those products. So I'm definitely gonna be trying out this product. I don't see any information yet on how many shades they're gonna have to this powder, but I would definitely love it if it is pretty much the same as like their foundation and their concealer line, because I could rarely find a powder foundation that's like a perfect match for me. So I'm definitely excited to try that out, especially because the Born This Way line is awesome. I find that the Too Faced powder products also are very like creamy, very like silky and like really natural on my skin. All right, so this is gonna be a quick video because there really wasn't a ton of products that I wanted to talk about, but the products I wanted to talk about, I was really excited for. And this is the product that I'm the most excited for. And this is the Natasha Denona Tan Palette. I cannot wait to purchase this. So much so that I actually thought it was releasing this weekend. I went to go buy it online and I'm like, did it sell out? Where did this palette go? And then I went back to Trendmood, and this palette is actually releasing on the 17th. It's gonna be $55. There's gonna have a cream highlighter, a blush slash bronzer product, and then 2 other highlighters. And I actually haven't been drawn to the Natasha Denona blush palettes. I always feel like there's one shade that I'm gonna hate, or there's only one shade that I'm gonna love. But with this palette, I totally see myself wearing everything in here. I like that there's a cream highlight as well, because I love like my Physicians Formula butter highlighter, so I know that I'm actually gonna use it. There's a bronzer. The highlighter shades look like shades that I normally wear anyways. So I'm totally excited for this. I am definitely gonna purchase it. I was a little bummed out when I went on Sephora online today because I totally thought that I was gonna be able to get a discount since we're still in the VIB sale, but totally fine with the price point for this because I really think I'm gonna use this palette. And then I also wanted to give you guys an update about Charlotte Tilbury because I've been talking about how much I want their Glowgasm collection. And honestly, when I saw this Natasha Denona palette, I'm like, maybe I should get this instead of the Charlotte Tilbury palette. But actually, I got an email from Charlotte Tilbury literally the day after I put up my VIB sale haul, and they said that they were gonna send me the collection and they were asking for my address. So I think I'm gonna be getting that collection in the next like couple weeks, I think. So my review on that will be a little bit later than I was originally planning because I wanted to review that in like the next week, but it might end up being like later in May. But I'm so excited that they're sending me the collection because I totally did not see that coming at all. I was just like bummed when I couldn't find the palette in store because I wanted it so badly right then and there, and then go figure they reached out about the collection, and I felt like I was mad at myself for being mad about not getting it in store because it all ended up working out. So I'll let you guys know once I do receive that collection, and I do want to make a video about that. And I'm also really happy now that I don't have to choose between these 2 palettes because like in my head I couldn't really justify getting the face palette from Charlotte Tilbury and the Natasha Denona one because they're both pricier palettes for sure. But I will definitely now be getting this Natasha Denona palette because it just looks so pretty. I think I'm gonna like everything in here, so I'm so excited to get that and review that for you guys. So definitely let me know your thoughts about the tan palette. And also in my Sephora wishlist video, I talked about how I wanted to try out the Natasha Denona mini bronzer duo. I couldn't find that in stores when I shopped the VIB sale, and then the next day they announced the tan palette, so I'm like, I don't even want the mini palette, I want the actual full-size tan palette because I will wear everything in here. So definitely getting that. I'm so excited. I'm like passionate about that palette. I think that's gonna be like one of my favorite things this summer. Hopefully. I'm setting really high expectations for this palette, so hopefully it delivers. But that is everything that I want to mention for today's video. Let me know your thoughts about any of these products in the comments below. I have a bunch of face palettes that I'm going to be testing out for you guys with the Glowgasm collection, the Natasha Denona palette, and then also the Dominique Cosmetics highlighter palette. So let me know if you guys plan on purchasing any of those products in the comments. And yeah, that's going to be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.